seen a lot of ups and downs, but this is the big moment.
They have had a very different relationship because they have had a long distance relationship for years, and they have stood by each other.
One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000
Vaibhavi as a person has always been shy and afraid to open up, but gradually she would do it with us, and obviously we being her friends have been really nasty, so she didn't really have a choice.
I find Vaibhavi very innocent, very lovable.
Vaibhavi, I have not known her for a long time now. I mean, initially I knew that my brother was carrying around with some chick, and her name was Vaibhavi because she used to keep calling at home. But I really didn't get to know her up until a few months back, and I am so happy because Vaibhavi is the kind of person that complements Sylvester perfectly. She is very good natured, she is soft spoken, she too is very generous, and she's the best partner that Sylvester can have.
A very down to earth person, a very humble, loving person.
She loves cooking, she loves baking, I would say. And she bakes wonderful cakes.
I would say over the years, one quality that I have really known and understood is that she's very patient. Over the years, I mean, I've not seen any individual who's that patient. She has the patience, she has the hope, she has the faith, which I think has led for this day to happen.
ਤੂੰ ਹੋ ਗਈ 1 to 2 ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀਏ what to do ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਪਤੰਗਾਂ ਵਰਗੀ ਤੂੰ ਐਵੇਂ ਉੱਡਦੀ ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਹਿੱਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਟੁਕ ਟੁਕ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਗਿਟ ਪਿਟ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕੁਈਨ ਸਾਡੀ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਕੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਪੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਪੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ
ਲੱਟੇ ਦੀ ਚਾਦਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਹਨੀਮੂਨ ਕਰਵਾਈਆ ਆਪ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਕੀ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਹੈ ਦੱਸ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਮਨ ਦਾ ਗੁਰਦਾ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਹੈ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਛੋਟਾ ਪਲੰਗ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਸਿਆਪਾ ਓਏ ਹੋਏ ਡੈਥ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਗਈ
ਲਾਊਡ ਸਪੀਕਰ ਤੇ ਮਾਂਡੋਨਾ ਵੱਜਦੀ ਉਹ ਲਾਈਕੇ ਵਰਜ਼ਨ
ਇੱਥੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ
ਰਫੈਲ ਘਰ ਤੇ ਕਬੂਤਰ ਵਰਗੀ ਉਹ ਮੇਮਾ ਫਿਰਦੀ
ਗੁੱਟਰਦੀ
ਗੁਲਾਬੀ ਸ਼ੇਡ ਦਾ ਰੰਗ ਹੈ ਫਿਰੰਗੀ ਰੱਖੀ ਤੂੰ ਸਾਂਭ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਲੱਗਦਾ 100 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਚੰਗੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ ਵਧੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਸਿਰ ਤੇ ਗਲਾਸੀ ਰੱਖ
Black man to my
very difficult to put him in a few words, but he is obviously the best big brother that I could ever have and hope for.
He can go to a limit to, he can make somebody cry, and he can equally make somebody, so happy that, that person will feel like, he's in seventh heaven.
Yeah, he's a completely adventurous person. So whenever you're with him, it's not like, okay, you're so bored, kya karna hai yaar, kuch nahi. So you know that every minute there is something exciting and there's something adventurous which is going to come.
He's, he's been a bully at times, and he's been motherly at times, and he's been a friend, and he's been an enemy, and he's been all of that. He's played all these roles in my life.
To give, he will never see back. What he is giving, how much he is giving. That is his nature.
कभी भी कुछ भी हो जाए, चलो यहाँ पे जा रहा है, चलो निकल जाता था. So it's like, लोनावला जाना है, चलो लोनावला जाते हैं. यहाँ गोराई जा रहा है, चलो गोराई जाना है. Mahabaleshwar जाना है, Mahabaleshwar. Sometimes we planned for, going only till, a particular limit, and then we've gone beyond that also.
When he is coming from US, he is bringing so many things for the other people that I don't know that which thing is for me.
किस तरह से शुक्र तेरा अब अदा करूं मैं, किस तरह से शुक्र तेरा अब अदा करूं मैं, इस मोहब्बत का हर जाना किस तरह भरूं मैं, खामोश रह कर भी कह गए दरिया सा दिल तक बह गए, तुम पर हो रहा है पूरा एतबार, तुम ही हो हिफाजत मेरी, सुनो ये कहा है रूह ने, किस तरह से शुक्र तेरा अब अदा करूं मैं.
I remember when I was very small, she used to come and with my mom to give me lunch. My mom used to get her along, and my mom always used to get me chocolates because I never used to eat my lunch. So she used to give me that chocolate so that I eat it, eat my lunch. And Vaibhav used to take it to that basket and eat the chocolate. And then I used to, have a fight with her. And then mom used to tell me, it's okay, she's your little sister, let her have it. So we used to have a lot of fights. We used to have a small avla tree near our house. And I used to be the one who used to, with a stick, Vaibhavi and all my cousins, Harshal and Nishit and all, they used to collect all of them. And then it was my responsibility to distribute them, each one of them. So I used to take the lion's share and give them very little. And then I and Vaibhav used to have a very big fight on that. That you are making us do all the work and you are taking the lion's share.
ਬਿੱਲੋ ਪਾਲਾ ਹੈ ਨੀ ਯਾਰੀ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਨੀ ਡਰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਾਤੋਂ ਬਿੱਲੋ ਪਾਲਾ ਹੈ ਨੀ ਯਾਰੀ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਜਾਣ ਜਾਣ ਇੰਨਾ ਨਾ ਸਤਾਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ गली पुल कभी वो तेरे नैनों के वार हुए सीने से पार क्यों नखरे दिखाए लुटा दिल का करार मेरे सर चढ़ के बोल तेरे प्यार का बुखार बस लग जा तू सीने से आके एक बार
तू छोकरियों नी साथे नाच रही छे पछाड़ी मां बाल हिलावी रही छे तू छोकरियों नी साथे नाच रही छे पछाड़ी मां बाल हिलावी रही छे आशिकां ने पासे आवेया करो भूल तेरी मारी गली आवेया करो
साडी गली भुल के भी आया करो
भूल तेरी मारी गली आवेया करो
साडी गली भुल के भी आया करो
भूल तेरी मारी गली आवेया करो
साडी गली भुल के भी आया करो
भूल तेरी मारी गली
I think Auntie knew about it. It's just that she used to ask about the whereabouts and she used to confide in us when like anything. What is happening? The latest. She wanted the updates about it, but she was concerned. The very fact that she used to call us was she was very concerned about her, and that's every parent is. So we used to calm her down. We used to listen to her, and we used to try and explain Vaibhavi also at the same time because. I mean, we used to handle both Auntie and Vaibhavi.
Hey Vaibhavi, Miss what? Mrs. what?
धुंधला जाए जो मंजिलें एक पल को तू नजर झुका झुक जाए सर जहां वहीं मिलता है रब का रास्ता तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे रख हिम्मत बस चल दे तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के हैं निशान तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा 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 मिट जाते हैं सबके निशान बस एक वो मिटता नहीं है मान ले जो हर मुश्किल को मर्जी मेरी है हो हम सफर न तेरा जब कोई तू हो जहाँ रहूंगा मैं वहीं तुझसे कभी न एक पल भी मैं जुदा तू न जाने आस पास है खुदा तू
Vaibhavi is like, she compliments Sylvester so much that, we could term them as fire and ice. So it's like, where Sylvester is the crazy guy, he'll do all the, he'll get all the adventure, all the fun in Vaibhavi's life. And whereas, Vaibhavi is a little subtle, very down to earth, very, caring. And she will take care of the other part, taking care of everybody and, stuff. I mean, of course, Sylvester also does, but he's more of that crazier kind. He can do anything, impromptu. And Vaibhavi is the one who is, subtle. But I think they both complement each other very well.
I guess in 2001 is when we met in SM Lal. Okay, we were
in the same class.
Yeah, we were in the same classes in college. That was the first time we saw each other. When we saw each other, we had a very different impression about each other. Like, man, her, and she'd be like, this guy, and we both didn't like each other. And I don't know what happened, and then we started speaking a lot. Feb was when we had our exams, and we were about to depart basically, because after our exams were going to get over, we weren't going to meet with each other. So I guess probably that's the time when we, all the emotions and all the feelings came out, when we thought like we're not going to be with each other, we're not going to see each other anymore. So March 7th was our second last exam day, and that's when I was thinking at that time in 2001 that I would propose her at that time. But I couldn't propose her on March 7th, so March 26th eventually. I'm like, okay, you know what, this is it. This is the last time that I'm going to see her if I can. If I have to do it, I have to do it today, or else it's never going to happen.
दो ख्वाब थे हम, एक आज है, दिल की दुआ है.
She usually used to catch the 6:24 train, and that day the train came and I told her like, don't go. And I knew I just had 2 minutes in my hands because the next train was just going to come, and I'm like, okay, you know what, this is it, here it goes. So I told her basically that there's a girl that I like in our class, and she's like, who is it? And she was thinking about some other girl. And I'm like, you really want me to tell you who is it? She's like, yeah. And so I told her like, okay, fine, it's you.
पहनेंगे कदम तेरा ही सफर, दो नामों में भरे जिंदगी, मैं तुझी में मिलूं, देखूं, रहूं, सुन हम सफर संग ले चल.
I think in short, we knew that yes, it's a interreligion thing. It's going to be very difficult, where both the families are very orthodox. We stopped talking to each other after that, after 3 years. But we realized, we really want to be with each other. So that's the reason, I guess, about 3 to 4 years back, he called me up on my birthday and he wished me. And he again asked me, and I'm still, in love with you. Would you really like to take it ahead? And I was like, yeah, I definitely want to. And here we are. Couldn't believe this day was going to happen.
Yeah.
He got what he actually wanted. And as I've heard that they had having affair for last many years. So for no problem. Why? Because they know each other very well. So in that manner, it is really good. Because to know each other is very important for the married life.
I've seen a lot of ups and downs, but I think this is the big moment. The marriage that is actually happening is a big moment, because we really didn't think it was ever going to happen, but eventually it did, and on God's grace. And we hope that they have a wonderful time.
Yeah, and we hope that they have a wonderful life ahead with lots of happiness, lots of kids.
Yeah, lots of kids.
But after Raza, hopefully we have that pact. So, yes.
So we have to start.
All I want to say is that be happy and have loads of fun, and your life is just starting now. You're legally together, So all the best for your life there, and just have fun and be happy always, and God bless you both.
He's a gem of a person, and the fact, and he's been around for such a long time in today's day and age, well, it's hats off to him. It's amazing, and I'm sure he's going to keep Vaibhavi extremely happy, vice versa as well.
Vaibhavi is gonna have a wonderful time, in fact a crazier time while
Yeah.
she's there with him, be it US, be it Bombay, be it anywhere, she's gonna have a crazy time.
So I wish you all the best
Yeah, wish you all
for
the
your married
best.
life, and I
For
know that
you and Sylvester both.
you'll be a great wife, and as well Sylvester will be a loving and a very caring husband.
मेरे करीब मेरे हबीब तुझे चाहूं
बस बहुत
तेरे संग जो ना बीते उस पे एतराज है इस कदर हम दोनों का मिलना एक राज है
हुआ अमीर दिल गरीब तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़हनसीब
तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़हनसीब लेना देना नहीं दुनिया से मेरा बस तुझसे काम है तेरी अखियों के शहर में यारा सब इंतजाम है खुशियों का एक टुकड़ा मिले या मिले गम की खुरचने यारा तेरे मेरे खर्चे में दोनों का ही एक दाम है
होना लिखा था यूं ही जो हुआ या होते होते अभी अनजाने में हो गया जो भी हुआ हुआ जी
तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़हनसीब
तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़हनसीब हुआ अमीर दिल गरीब
तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा ज़हनसीब
ज़हनसीब ज़हनसीब तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा
तुझे चाहूं बेतहाशा
ज़हनसीब
હા વૈભવી જેવી દીકરી ભગવાન બધાને ઘરે આપે અને હું ખૂબ નસીબદાર છું કે મારા ઘરે આવી છે
डोरी खींची डोरी पलने की तूने बोली मेरे सपनों को झुलाया सारी रात
વૈભવી જેવી શાંત લાગણીશીલ અને પ્લસ હજી સુધી મેં નથી જોયું કે કોઈને ગુસ્સેથી વાત કરી હોય કે કોઈને રોલી કરી હોય અને આમ બોલવાનું પહેલેથી ઓછું અને કામ પૂરતી કામ પોતે કરે તે બેઠી હોય ત્યારે લાગે કે બેઠી એમ જ લાગે તે અને પ્લસ સ્વભાવ પણ એવો ને કે કોઈની યારે ગુસ્સે કર્યો નથી, મેં તો જોયું જ નહીં. અને વાત પહેલેથી ઓછી જ કરવાની તે આર્યા રહેશું કે પ્રીતિયા રહેશું કે ચિરામિયા રહેશું, અને એને કામ પૂરતી પોતે કામ કરે કે
Yeah, I'll feel a little bit lonely because when Akshita is not there, I always keep ordering her.
બસ એ ખૂબ ખૂબ સુખી થાય અને ભાઈનું, પપ્પાનું અને મમ્મીનું ત્રણેયનું નામ રોશન કરે સાસરા પક્ષમાં.
જ્યાં પણ જાય એટલે સમજો અમેરિકા છે કે અહીંયા જાય ખૂબ સુખી રહે અને ભગવાન એને એટલી આશીર્વાદ આપે કે ઘરમાં કોઈ જાતની તકલીફ ન આવે. પ્લસ ઇવન સિલ્વેસ્ટરને ત્યાં પણ હોય તો એની પણ એકદમ શાંતિથી રાખે. અને એટલે આશીર્વાદ આપું છું કે ભાઈ સુખ રહે, સમૃદ્ધિ રહે અને ભગવાન એને ઘણું આપે.
આનંદ બી છે અને દુઃખ બી છે, એટલે એક આંખ રડે છે, એક હસે છે.
तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं, तेरी लाडकी मैं.
I am definitely going to miss my mom the most. Though yes, she has been agony aunt, and she's always been like, do this, do that, but she has really helped me a lot. I mean, with everything, she's the one who's made me what I am today. I'm really thankful to her for that. I and Chirag have shared a very different relationship. We've been always like those brother and sister who just like to talk. When jitna kaam ho utna hi, but I know how much he loves me. I know how much he has always tried to do things for me without showing. And of course, my dad. Yeah, I'm going to miss my dad. He's always been like, okay, fine, I'll get it for you. So I'm really, happy that I've been with them, and they've really done a lot for me. And of course, the new member, Akshita, she's the one who's been my best friend. I always used to tell my mom that I always want a sister. Why didn't you get a, girl? But when she's come, she's been like a sister to me. And she's become my best friend now.
You always find me here when the world thinks that I've disappeared. You know just where to look. You know just where to look. And you have a heart of gold. And I look forward to growing old, 'cause I'll be old with you. Oh, I'll be old with you. The moon waits the night. The sun waits the day. Yeah, and I'll await the time when I'll look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say I do. I do, I do, I do, I do. I do, I do, I do. And I summertime and pick you flowers in the rain or shine, just because I can, or just because I can. The moon awaits the night. The sun awaits the day. Look you in the eyes and say, oh, I'll say I do. I do, I do, I do, I do. I do, I do, I do. Or through the calm and the wind, through thick and through thin, through the losses and wins. Oh, I do, I do, I do. Through rich and through poor. Oh, my heart is yours. Through sickness and health. Oh, I do, I do, I do. The moon awaits the night. The sun awaits the day. And I'll await the time when I look you in the eyes and say, I do, I do, I do.
Probably just spending time with each other. I guess that one thing has that's never been on our side, because the first 3 years also when we were carrying on at that time also it was very difficult for each other to spend, for us to spend time with each other. And then again when we got back together, I was in US and she was over here, time constraint, distance constraints. So we have never ever got quality time to spend with each other. So I'm probably just excited about that. Yeah, I can tell this as a comedy promise. I probably never look at any other girl in my entire lifetime.
Okay, it's a comedy promise. Wow.
And a real one is, even though if I probably look at any other girl, you'll always be the one that I'll always want to look at the end. Yeah.
One comedy promise would be that I promise that I'm not going to do any work. The way you told my mom, he's actually told my mom she doesn't have to do any work, and I will be doing everything. So I promise I will stick to that.
Okay. I hope that's the comedy promise.
Just like a picture on the wall, and now I know how to steer. I'm not afraid if I should fall, yeah. It took some tears, oh, but together we were strong. And now I feel a burning beat inside my heart, and I feel alive for the first time in my life. Oh baby, I feel alive tonight. You lift me up before I fall too far. You lift me up, yeah, help me see the stars. You pick me up when all my hope is gone. You lift me up, you lift me up, you lift me up. Living in fear, I couldn't see the rising sun. Just felt the weight of the world every time I tried to run. But you helped remind me who I am and where I'm from. And now I feel a burning beat in my heart.
I've known them known them together for 15 years. I've seen all the ups and downs. બધા લોકોએ જોયું હશે પેલી મૂવી લવ આજકલ ને કોકટેલ મળ્યા ને બિછડી ગયા ને પછી પાછા મળ્યા ને the entire universe worked together to bring them together again, and that is exactly the story.
You are the best person for me in my entire life, and I know I won't be happier, or I can't make anyone else happy as much as I can make you, and as much as you can make me. So again, thank you very much for being with me in my life, and yes, I have always said this, and I'm telling you once again, I love you. I always do.
Walked off the pain and we kept reaching high. You were with me all the way. You lift me up before I fall too far. You lift me up. You help me see the stars. You pick me up when all my hope is gone. You lift me up. You lift me up. You lift me up. You lift me up.
Hi Vaibhavi, I'm very happy for you. You got married Sylvester finally. काफ़ी मिस करूँगी तुम्हें बिकॉज तुम्हारा मॉर्निंग से लेके इवनिंग तक का मेरे साथ में जो टाइम स्पेंड करते हो हम दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ जुम्बा क्लास फिर कार्डियो देन टेरेस पे जाना ये सब कुछ काफ़ी मिस करूँगी.
पूरा का पूरा झूठ बोल रही है, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं ये लोग. इधर सच्चाई है, झूठ बोल रहे क्या नहीं है.
Actor, she's the best actor. Very good actor.
Just shut up, okay?
सब कुछ झूठ बोला है.
वो नेशनल अवार्ड कंगना रनौत को नहीं इनको मिलना चाहिए.
Your picture perfect blue, sunbathing under moons. You take me over, you're the magic in my veins. This must be love.